Good morning, everyone. It's Sean back here in Tokushima, Japan. This is Ride Tokushima. Right now, I'm at Bunko no Mori Cultural Park where we started yesterday's ride. We're going to head back out to Kamiyama and finish our Kamiyama adventure. Now, I'm going to go ahead and skip the parts that we did yesterday and go right out to the Funo Pass Tunnel, right on the edge where we meet up to Kamiyama. Join me there for the rest of our adventure. Let's get on the road. Welcome back to Sanagochi, Tokushima, Japan. Now I'm at the top of the Funo Pass. Right behind me is Sanagochi Village, and in front of me is the Funo Pass Tunnel, and right through there is Kamiyama. Let's go on the rest of our adventure. All right, welcome to Kamiyama. We've just gone through the Funo Pass Tunnel, and now we're greeted with a spectacular view that we get to enjoy. A 1 kilometer downhill with snaking turns. We're gonna get to the bottom, take a left, and then take a right back out to Kamiyama town. The idea of the downhill on this tree-covered canopy snaking road into Kamiyama. It's just spectacular. All right, we're at the base of the Funo Toge on the Kamiyama side, and we're gonna take a left here to go back out to 438, and then we'll take a right heading out towards Kamiyama town. It's gonna be a nice ride. We're gonna be back on the main road, so be careful. So here's the road, and you can see from the sign we want to go right on the 438. Heading into Kamiyama, please use a bit of caution. This is a set of high-speed rollers with huge curves and sharp descents. There's also bumper strips on the road with heavy traffic. Good luck. All right, we made it. We're in Kamiyama. Right now I'm at the Michino Eki, the Onsen no Sato Kamiyama. It's open 24 hours a day with restrooms, drink machines, and a place to rest. The shop is open from 9 to 5. Let's go in and warm up and get something to eat. Inside the shop, there's a place we can sit down and get some udon, soba, and some premium ice cream as well. Let's get some yummies. And now it's time to enjoy some hot soba and tempura rice bowl. Let's enjoy with a wonderful view. We finished lunch and now we're back out to the bike stand, ready to hit the road again. Here's another quick look of the Kamiyama Michino Eki. And that's a wrap from Kamiyama, Tokushima, Japan at the Michino Eki. My name is Sean with Ride Tokushima. I hope you enjoyed the ride today. I really appreciate that you watched all the way to the end. I hope you learned something, and I hope it inspired you to come out here and ride. If you have any questions about cycling in Tokushima, cycling in Japan, or cycling in general, shoot me a DM and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, I'll see you on the road. Here's a preview for next time on Ride Tokushima as we explore the rest of Kamiyama town, from the convenience stores, some of the shops that are down there, and some of the little, small local climbs. See you on the road.